Alright guys, so we're back at home. We're ready to get this fenders installed. Alright. Here we go. Alright guys, so the main thing is we're gonna pop this cover off right here. A couple 10mm bolts in there that are basically securing this fender and the bumper together. And then we're gonna go right under this wheel well. There should be about 2 or 3 10s holding this part down for the fender as well. And there's a couple of 10s that hold out the fender here. Maybe some other places that I don't know of yet. We're gonna detach the side skirts from here and move it apart. And yeah, it's kind of hard showing you guys, but I'm sure y'all know there's a bunch of videos out there on how to take off fenders, how to remove a bumper. So I'm not gonna be all that explaining. I'm just gonna be showing in this. So let's get this going. Alright guys, we finally got this fender out. Now time ready to jump this thing. Just kidding. We're not going to be jumping that just yet. We actually have a buyer lined up for this thing. Believe it or not, $550. So I'm going to keep quiet. He doesn't know that it's damaged, so I'm going to kind of scam him. There it is, guys. It is currently 1 a.m. and I'm finally done. Holy crap, guys. Freaking awesome. Yes sir, we got a lot more things coming for this car, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's get this thing back to the shop and get some more goodies on this thing. So let's get it. Alright guys, we're back here at the shop. We're going to be getting a new diffuser on this thing. As you can see, this old, rusty, nasty, all beat up diffuser I've owned since I've got the car. So now it should be good. All of it has just been 3M tape. As you can kind of tell, it's peeling off in this part right here. So we're just going to be peeling this off, cleaning up all the 3M residue, and then slapping the new bad boy back on. Let's go. There it is. Looks super freaking sick. Cannot wait till it's on the ground. But that's as good as it's gonna get right now. We got all the wiring back here. We tucked it right underneath this, and there's this little hole that we're gonna be feeding the wires and plugging everything up.
The next day.
Alright guys, today is the day. Yup. Let's get it. Tesla screen going in. Tesla screen on. Connecting the Bluetooth. We don't need that right now. Alright guys, time to reveal what we got. Yes sir. You already know what's going on. Full arc exhaust all the way back. The pipe in the back seat. ISR test pipes. Yes sir. It's gonna be freaking awesome. It's gonna sound crazy now after this. This might be temporary. I might change this up later in the future and get some arc, Motordyne arc pipes. But for right now, I'm gonna run with these and see how it goes. It might be super excessively loud, but we'll find out. Other than that, guys, let's get this all apart and put together. All right, guys, first things first, we're gonna pop this hood and we're gonna try to access this demon bolt or nut. That's it's gonna be located right there. Let's see if it'll. There it is. There's that one, and there's one right underneath it. Boom. Right there, guys. I know it's a little hard to see. So you got that one right there, and you got the bottom one right there, which I think you get the bottom one you can get from the bottom of the car. And right here is where gonna be kind of the problem. Looking at my old system right here. Damn, this is gonna be crazy. Everything was pretty much stock. I just had a Type S exhaust, which I don't even know if you can see where it says Type S at. But if you look this up, this is a sport exhaust that you can buy. Ooh, that gasket does not look good. Damn it. We might have to order some gaskets too. Because I'm gonna go ahead and walk in here. I'm gonna put this on time-lapse mode and then just kind of see what happens. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. All right, guys, we have everything off already. Super cool. Yep, no more exhaust. I would start it like this, but honestly, the noise would resonate so much in this damn shop. It's gonna be freaking ridiculous. So, yeah, we're not gonna do that. So let's go ahead and put some new gaskets on everything. So I got some new gaskets for the headers. And then we're gonna just proceed on forward and just install everything back how it is. So yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, everything is back in. Time to start tightening everything up. I have everything loose, so the key trick to this is to have everything loose. Literally just when I get it by hand, as you can see, nothing's really tight in here. You want to have everything loose so that way you can mock it up really nicely up here. That way when you get to down here, you can tighten it where you want it, and then you're going to be set. So yeah, let's go ahead and start tightening everything up, and start with those up there. Guys, oh my gosh, this freaking exhaust, bro. Insane.